To practice truth, to know the mysteries of life, to attain the goal of life, one thing you will have to learn, Vairagyam. This is practiced by both sannyasa, path of renunciation, and path of action. Meditation is practiced by both equally. Path of renunciation, path of action. So two things are practiced by both. Philosophy of non-attachment and meditation. Meditation is called meditation in action. You don't sit there. By sitting in meditation, you become aware. That you are becoming aware of the Lord's presence within you. Meditation has gifted you, rewarded you. Now you practice in your daily life. Wherever you go, you remain aware of this. Lord is witnessing my actions. If somebody commits mistake, I should forgive. That's why Christ said, forgive them, my Father, they do not know what they are doing. Only strong people can do that. You are able to forgive everybody. But first thing you should learn to forgive yourself by not repeating, being free. It can be done, I tell you. Once or twice you taste this and you will have taste. It is called higher taste. Aesthetic sense as you create. Have you seen? When you are fed up of the flowers, then what do? You go for cacti. Cacti is called Swami of vegetable kingdom. You don't nourish and it grows. If you give too much water, it will die. Don't give too many things to Swami. It will destroy him. Leave him alone, let him grow. That's why he's called Swami of vegetable kingdom. When your taste has grown to a height, there you become creative. You will become very creative when you will understand the necessity of one thing in life. Vairagya, non-attachment. I have a big family, large family, many brothers, many sisters, many children. Naturally one who will be old will die. And every time someone dies, I cry. And by crying many times, I have become a weeping willow. That's not fair. You can do. Yes, if you don't cry, people will feel bad. Well, you can cry, yet from within you should not cry. That's the way of living in the world. Learn to live in the world, but don't allow to be of this world. You walk on the earth exactly Christ walked, Moses walked. They never saw things through their ears. They never smelled through mouth. Tulsidasa cleared it very beautifully in one simple line. Gira nayan nayan vinubhani. Beautifully said. Whatever eyes see, eyes did not have words to explain. And whatever the words have, words do not have eyes to see. We will have to understand a philosophy called philosophy of integration in life. That's what yoga teaches. How to integrate. How to integrate these 5 fingers. If you apply them separately, there will be no. But if you allow them all to be together, it becomes something strong. Integration in life. And the pillar of that integration, that building is Vairagya, main strength. You see. Whether you believe in God or not, if you are even atheist or agnostic, learn this. Because this is not escape from the world, facing the facts of life. Father and son, they both know the day will come when one of them will leave. This is truth. I know the day will come when I will leave or you will leave. One of us will leave forever. Knowing this fact, why do you cry? Why do you have fits? The great poet says, parting is the day of meeting. Parting is the day of festivity. Let us celebrate it. So there are few, even today, some small groups of culture, they never mourn, they never cry. They beat the drums, they sing the songs when they take dead to the burial ground. For them, death is not something ugly. For them, death is like festivity. There was a time when mother used to teach the child, you are Atman, you are great. Don't be sad. There is no reason for you to be afraid. You are going to be great in life. You are going to serve the country. You are going to serve the universe. You are a member of this universe. God is always with you. God is witnessing all your actions. Yes. Mothers and fathers don't wake up in the morning. Children wake up first these days and wake their mummies. Mummy, I am going to school. Will you please get up? The times have changed. See. What I mean to say, by practice, if you really want to live happily in the world, you have to practice Vairagya. Vairagya does not make you Swami, does not instruct you, lead you to the philosophy of renunciation. It leads you to the philosophy of action, how to function in the world, yet remain unaffected. All things. Do you mean to say the whole world is meant for you to be used? You are mistaken. With this idea, you go outside and cheat others, and you think that you are successful. No. And if you think that whole world is meant for you to be used, why do you not think that you are also meant to be used by the world? You don't think that. Therefore, have a compromise. Neither you should learn to use the world, nor you should allow anyone to use you. Just learn the philosophy of non-attachment.